Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this grimy block paving as usual. So this is going to be cleaned, chemical treated and resanded, so it's getting the full works. It's got a bit of weedlation here and there, just a few weeds and whatnot. So yeah, going to get blitz in it. Going to start off with cutting in around the edges, and then we'll move on to the flat surface cleaner, and then we'll do the X-Jet to apply the chemical on, and that'll be all sweet. Wait for it to dry, probably sand it tomorrow. Right, let's go. All the edges cut in, try to keep a nice line for next door. Yeah, it's all good. Get the flat surface cleaner out, so I'm going to start cracking on with that one and see what it can do. I don't see it getting these weeds out, to be honest, but it'll definitely get the moss out, and see how it does with the white lighting. Yeah, all going good. Gonna get cracking. It's quite a warm day, to be fair. Right, anyway, no cup of tea so far. So that's been cut in, flat surface cleaner, and then turbo just to get any remaining weeds out, which has come up sweet. But you can still see I've still got a black spot, so that's why within the chemical treatment, just to just get the colours popping a lot better. But I've done a nice half and half. See the grime line. So yeah, it's all good. But as I've done that, next door, after my fine line cutting in, has now wanted to come and join in. Don't even know if I've got time, but it just saves me setting up twice. That I'm going to give it a go, and hopefully, I do say to the next customer I'll be between sort of 11 and 1, so it does give me a bracket in time in case the job's like has a sort of error or whatever. But so yeah, I'll be doing this as well now, including this wall. So yeah, let's get going. Better stop talking, to be honest. Lovely weeds. Right, so I'm now doing next doors. The guy on the left just gave me a cup of tea, was banging, so I sorted me right out, but I need to get a move on. coming up, lovely. Just going to swap to the taps over, so obviously they're now sharing the water usage. Yeah, but that's the flat surface cleaning all done. I'm now going to the other customer that's just added on wants his wall cleaned as well, so I'll be cleaning his wall as well. So I think I'm going to clean. Oh, this one's leaking more. Christ. Going to clean the wall next, and then yeah, cover it all once I've turboed that last little bit. Cover it all in a chemical, get it nice and foamy, and then yeah, big rinse down. I think it'll be all popping. Right, I'm going to crack on. All in. I know it's got obviously what I just flicked up it, but it is definitely black. It'll come out red. Oh yeah. Right, got them both foamed up. I've got the mask on, so I'm going to sound all funny. But yeah, just letting that settle in. And a big rinse down. Just have a little break while I let it dry out, and so I can just sweep up all the road, and then once it's dry I can just bag it easier, if you know what I mean, and give that a little rinse down, and then that'll be all sweet, and then most likely come back tomorrow to sand it. But yeah, well chuffed. I'll show you it in a second. I've just got, I already don't pack lunch, not really. I have a little breakfast bar in the morning, and then when I get back, put like a double dinner. But I nicked this from indoors. Oreo Millionaire's shortcake. Yes, I'm going to yam that. That is lunch, and yeah, let's get back to it. think I just recorded the floor for like half an hour. But all fresh. So glad they've done both at the same time now, because it's really completed it. Spoken to a few other neighbours as well. But there's the wall as well, that was an extra. Remember that? But yeah, it's all looking fresh. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. Plenty more videos coming, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
Hello everyone. So, bit of a different family outro. Was going out yesterday. My wife said to me, as she's loading up the car, getting Theo and that in, she was like, your van door's open. So, very little damage, to be honest, and got him. Like I said, I don't really keep too much in my van, just like little bits and bobs. Yeah, so they just get a turbo nozzle, which will stop me pressure washing. So, and they got a few of my gutter poles, which doesn't sound annoying, but same again, stops me doing that service, and it's like, Some people did what?
People broke into Dad's van.
They broke into Daddy's van.
Yeah, the other side.
Yeah, they stole Daddy's tools.
Those tools.
What do the tools do? They help me work. And buy you things, buy you food and clothes, bills.
You're wet.
Yeah. Thanks for that on Father's Day. But not gonna let it get me done. All the new bits over tomorrow.
I got wet.
It shows they can get in any time they want. I'm glad I didn't keep anything of mad value, but still, it's a horrible feeling. I can't explain it to you. Like, it's grim. Let's get back out Monday and just earn the money back. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you can hit like and subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll see you next one. Say bye, video.
Bye, video.
Let's say bye, everyone.